I had a siesta, lunch break, and now I'm back out again. I'm going to St. Pete Pier. So now I'm in downtown. I'm gonna turn right from here. The trail starts from here. I was here in the morning, but I'm back here. Trying to check out the St. Pete Pier. I was there the first night with Mike, but then we just drove in and walked. Oh, now I'm back. The good thing is that they allow bikes here. So, for example, if you want to visit the Navy Pier in Chicago, you can't ride a bike there. But you can ride a bike here. It's a good thing. Yeah, there's so much to do here actually. Look at that. That is so cool. Pinellas Plaza. World's first airline. World's first airline? Did they have a first airline here? I need to look up the history. That's cool. Yeah, you can ride all the way around. And that's the pier. Yeah. Nice. Not many people here. I don't even know if they allow bikes here, but I think they do. I didn't see any signs. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's so cool. I think it goes all around. So I'm supposed to go this way. Yeah. Yep, you see, they do have the bicycle racks, so you can ride the bike here. Otherwise they wouldn't provide this. Nice. Saturday night we had so many people here. Not that many today. Yeah. That's cool. Should I sit down? So now I think I'm gonna head back. has some nice bike trails. See how it's separated from the main traffic. Beautiful. Yeah, I like this. Nice trail. Mojave Theater. So, where is that? Okay. I'm trying to find. Oh, I'm heading the wrong way, but that's okay. I'm just trying to explore a little bit. I'm gonna explore a little more. And we have one tiny airport. Airfield too. Pinellas Trail again. About a half a mile and then we're going to turn left. So next left. I'm gonna stop in the store and get something to drink. I need water, or actually, I'll see. Okay, I'm heading back to my place. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to Tampa over the Howard Bridge. Newly opened bridge. Good morning, I'm in St. Petersburg and I'm heading to Tampa. I'm gonna take the newly opened over the Frankland bridge. I'm gonna go and check it out. I haven't ridden it yet. It was opened just last month. So I'm gonna go and check it out. Oh. I'm going by the back roads. Actually, it's the first street, but it's a bicycle-friendly street. So I have about 4 miles. Actually, let me see. Yeah, about 4 miles, and then I'm there. I'm gonna take the Howard Frankland Bridge. There's a nice bike trail, goes all the way. I have about actually 3 more miles to go. I'm gonna stop in a Starbucks before I'm heading to the bridge. That's the beginning of the trail. Arrived to the beginning of the trail. It's gonna be a long 7-mile ride across the Tampa Bay. So this bridge is called Howard Frankland's Bridge, and the bike trail goes alongside of it. There we go. It's actually really low. See? the bridge is actually sitting really low, and the bike trail is even lower than the main road. Maintenance guys. That's good, because if someone's gonna be stranded here, that's a long walk. So that's a good thing that they're keeping an eye. That's interesting. Where this road goes? Goes underwater. Not really. Yeah, maintenance guys are working. I don't know where this road goes. I think it goes underneath and you can turn around. I mean, the maintenance guys can turn around. Yeah, that's probably the case. And get to the other side. Yeah, you see? That's pretty cool. So that you can take the break, and the view is just gorgeous. I see 2 bicycles coming. Those are the first ones. So easy to ride. All of a sudden there is no traffic noise anymore, and then I noticed that there is another road right next to it. No traffic noise because the traffic is further away. Yeah, it's a beautiful ride. I highly recommend. It's not that hard even, but because I'm going over the bay and I do have a tailwind, which helps. The tailwind is always a big factor when you're riding your bike. Okay, that's the end of the trail. Looks like they are working and getting this done. Yeah, now it's switching over to the other side. Just a walk away. I'm gonna make a right turn from here. I finished the trail, and can I get through here? Google leads me this way. Let's see. Where does it go? Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely I can get through here. I'm heading to Panera. It's close by. Panera Bread. I stopped here in the Panera Bread, had lunch, and now I continue my ride. Bayshore Boulevard. I'm thinking gonna ride to the end. It's about 6 miles, and then turn around and head back. And then it's time to board the train. It's a beautiful ride here. Look at that. I love it. Do you know this is the longest sidewalk? If I remember it correctly, the longest sidewalk in the world. This one is called the Waterfront Trail in Tampa. Looks like about 4 more miles, and I'm gonna be at the Amtrak station. Alright, I'm gonna finish up my video and heading to the Amtrak station, boarding the train and heading back to Jacksonville. This trail takes me straight to the Union Station. Alright, I'm gonna finish up this video now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.